In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a service on Facebook Marketplace. This is a fantastic way to reach a local audience and advertise your services directly to potential customers in your area. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Facebook on your browser. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to look for the See More option on the left-hand side menu. It's right there below all your main shortcuts. Click that and it should expand to show more options. Now you need to find and click on Marketplace. Marketplace is Facebook's hub for buying, selling, and advertising services. As soon as you click it, you'll see a range of items and services being offered by people in your community. Next, in the left panel, look for the option to Create New Listing. This is where you'll begin the process of creating your service advertisement. When prompted, select Services as your listing type. This lets people know that you are offering a service and not selling physical products. Once you've selected the service listing option, it's time to get visual. Click on Add Photos to upload images related to your service. High quality images can really make your post stand out, so choose photos that best represent what you're offering. Now, let's focus on crafting your title. Your title should be short, descriptive, and to the point. It should clearly convey what service you're offering. After you've settled on a title, you'll be prompted to enter the price of your service. Even if your service varies by project, it's always good to provide a starting price or typical range for potential customers to know what to expect. Select the appropriate category that best describes your service. This helps people searching for specific types of services find yours more easily. Following that, if applicable, choose the condition of the service. This may not always be relevant for services, but it's there for those that require it. In the description box, provide more details about what you're offering. This is where you can elaborate on your services. Include any important information such as availability, experience, and what differentiates your service from competitors. Clarity and honesty go a long way in attracting clients. Type in any brand affiliations you might have. Include relevant tags to help potential customers find your listing when they're searching. Also, make sure you specify the availability of your service and choose your location. This ensures that people in your area are seeing your listing. Once you've completed all these steps, click Next to review your listing. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, click on Publish to go live. You also have an option to share your listing on service-related groups, expanding your reach even more. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully advertised your service on Facebook Marketplace. Don't forget to keep your listing updated and respond to inquiries promptly for the best results. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope your service finds great success.